Hey guys, Harley here from Vhedia. Just showing you with our single dash cams here how you can, instead of using your SD card, get the data all on your phone. So what you want to do is go into your high def app and then you want to find Wi-Fi hotspot details. And you want to obviously scan your QR code depending on which one you've got. Alright, so when you scan the QR code, it'll bring you to this app. Download, so you can download anyway. It's just fine. It's just saying that it's an APK folder. So once you've got the app downloaded, you click on connect. You're going to change your phone to your dash cams Wi-Fi, which is all there, and all your password. Once you've done that, you see down here it says connect. So connect, and there you go. Change your settings through here as well, your format and all that. Thanks guys.